Hi guys, still good morning, 11:46 in the UK. Thought we'd have a quick run over a couple of charts. Yesterday, the bears are going to feel massively disappointed here. The key level we were talking about to the upside all day yesterday, it broke around 7:30, or at least the hour around that. Closed above and bullish. I had orders waiting down here last night to get long. Didn't come in, but we move. Decent push higher up to the next level. Bit of resistance around here. We had a slight risk off hour following the news regarding Germany and the EU, and that brought things down. But now you've got your line in the sand above 28.54. You're going to get it back up to the key level from the last day of the month. So above 28.78, you'd be ultra bullish. We're on. If we take us back to this area here, this is massive. You can see the importance here. Once we broke through on Friday, so above there, you've got to be confident. 13 minutes to the hour close. Also, midday. If we can get above there, I'd be looking for longs. Below, maybe we drift back down and actually have to come in to take this area of support. Again, time will tell, of course. Moving over to the euro, this is the aftermath. In hindsight, it looks like the best trade ever, doesn't it? Break the lows of yesterday, come back to test it. Also the pivot, good short, write it down to the low of the day for your first target, and it would have been an unbelievable trade. It did give an opportunity to get in around 9.14, so if you got in, that's fantastic. The low that we printed, you can see, was also that low from Thursday, give or take. So be marking up some of those key zones. You can see the initial first test of that previous top of the zone that you can see from every day possible by the looks of it, held up as good support before breaking through. We're into that new range. The bears, I'm going to move this down. We need to get below here today. Today, considering we're this close, 108.31. So you now got your three new levels to look at. 108.94. Then to the upside, obviously, I doubt we get there today. And then below here, those would be the areas of interest that I'd be looking at. The pound, let's have a look. Have we found the bottom today? Potentially. I still like the idea of a long above the R1 today. I think a long to this kind of point here before the R2, and second target up to 125.66. That said, bearish below the S1, below yesterday's low, below the 29th and the 27th. So those would be the levels that I'll be focusing on there. Quick look over at oil. We got to that 20, didn't we, over the last couple of days, and we pushed on above the key resistance zone we talked about yesterday. I mean, you can see that would be obviously the first real target, 48. Then up to this level at 54 we hit. Next one, 23.38. So good price action for oil. It has actually traded well, and just because everyone thinks it's got to go lower, let price tell you what's going on is the summary for that.